Hi there, welcome to the sale of this 2013 Toyota Hilux. This is a 3 litre turbo diesel, Invincible, 4x4, double cabin, so top of the range, 171 brake horsepower. I'll take you around and show you it. So finished in the black, so it looks really good. And the alloy wheels, it's got Avon tyres sat on there on the front, all good, lots of tread on there. And on the rear as well here. Has a reverse camera on this truck. Tow bar can be fitted as a coupling that goes down there, so it doesn't have one, but it's not that expensive to fit. It does have this flat lid on there, it just comes with it. It is what it is. And then there's a body liner fitted in here as well. Protective strip across the top on the tailgate. It would have a Knife Williams top here that could go with this truck if that suited somebody. So another Avon, we've got Avons all the way around, all good tread on them as well. Wash on the headlights, touring lights on the bottom. Good looking truck. Being black, I mean, it's got a lovely shine on it, looks really good. There's a couple of little scratches here and there on it, but for a used pickup truck, it's really good, got a good presence. So it's black leather upholstery, airbags in the seats. Seats are good, electric mirrors. It's got, yeah, the wash wipe on the headlights, 4-door electric windows. There's a little computer you can operate through the steering wheel. The radio controls are here. To answer the telephone off the steering wheel, cruise control down here, automatic gearbox, traction controls, got power heat, and there's auxiliary plug-ins there. This truck's also got sat nav, digital climate control, sat nav up here, reverse camera. So just firing up. I'll just turn this down. It's digital climate. 59,547 miles to be exact. So I think you can confirm here. Let's start it. That's the reverse camera. Off, map, confirm. And there's the sat nav. So all nice in the cabin, little drinks holders either side, drinks in here, drinks holders down there, there's looking walnut there present. So this Hilux is available here at Cross Country 4x4. We're in Market Lavington Village in the Devizes in Wiltshire. More than welcome to come and view this truck. If you like it, we'll go out and drive it. You can drive it. We'll consider a part exchange, and we can give quotes for finance as well. We can also quote to have it delivered to your area. We will need your postcode to do that. There'll be a small cost involved in doing this. And so yeah, please do give us a ring on 01380 818 311. Thank you very much for looking.